Hi there, students. When the cat's away, the mice will play. Okay, this is a good proverb or an axiom. It means when the people in charge are not around, then the subordinates do what they want. Yeah, they misbehave. So have you noticed, or did you notice when you were at school, the teacher's there and everybody behaves well. Then the teacher goes out for 5 minutes and the behaviour becomes terrible. When the cat's away, the mice will play. Okay, so this is saying when the person who's in authority is absent, then people will do what they like. Yeah, my parents are away for the weekend, so while the cat's away, the mice will play. Yeah, we're going to have a massive party. Yeah, okay, so this is people behaving badly because there's nobody there to be in charge and tell you what to do. So when authority's not present, the subordinates do exactly whatever they want. So there was a really good match on, and while the boss was in the room, everybody was working. But the second the boss went off to do something, everybody was there listening to the match or watching the match on their iPhones. But yeah, this is a case of when the cat's away. Very often, this is we just use the phrase when the cat's away. The mice will play bit is not always added because it makes it quite long. Okay, this is, I think, quite an old idiom. So yeah, people enjoy themselves more when they have greater freedom to do it and when the person in charge is not there. Well, it's obvious, I guess. Yeah, when there's no authority, then you can do as you see reasonable. But I think it's probably best to act in a reasonable way. Okay, so when the cat's away. As to formality, I think I'd give this a 4.5. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, but I wouldn't use it in anything very formal. And then, well, as to origin, the cat is the controlling entity, the authority. And when this person or these people are away, they are absent, then the mice, the subordinates, the little people will take advantage of the circumstance. Yeah, so when the cat's away, the mice will play. Yeah, when the person in charge is not around, the subordinates will take advantage of the circumstances. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. When the cat's away, the mice will play. Proverbs.